Hello friends, hi, this is Ganesh Nayak. Imagine yourself facing a massive exam like CFA or an FRM, where, for example, CFA level 1, you had 90 questions in the morning and another 90 questions in the afternoon. The time allocation is very important because you get roughly 1 minute for each question. Now, keeping this allocation in mind, I'll give you a few steps to manage your mock exams properly. The first step, start with confidence. Picture yourself sitting in the exam room. Your most confident topic has to be taken first. For example, you're confident in ethics or cons, start with that topic. It should act like a warming up for a bigger game. Tackle those stuff properly and then go to those different types of questions which are going to come ahead. Second step, dealing with difficult questions. When you're preparing for the exam, there are going to be certain sections or certain chapters which you find difficult, which are actually brain teaser for you. Don't let it hijack your time and stress you out. Just mark it for the review and do it later. But do not abandon it. Give yourself a time later on to solve those questions. Again, the chances of clearing those questions are low for you because they are tough for you. Third point, when time is running out, time management is very important. So what you're going to make sure is when you're worried about falling behind, stay calm. Okay, CFA is a very critical exam. So if you keep yourself calm during that period, your pass chances increases. Look at the question, look at the answers that you've done it. Read the question again, read the answers options again, and then choose the answer whichever is your best guess. The final part is the check or the review time. Whenever you're getting any mocks, you always have to come back to the questions to see can you change the answer or those difficult questions which you could not do at the initial stuff. Can you give some time right now and do and give that exam? For essay type answers, which is generally there in level 2, you have to understand and read the question. That might take some time. Okay, so over here, when you're doing the review, you might just change the answer and make your overall approach towards the exam well structured. In this case, these strategies should help you to clear the exam and do your mocks properly. So go ahead and conquer the mock.